think I hear a carbon monoxide alarm going off. Sun's coming from this way. I swear to God. I hear that beeping. Hear that? Where it's coming from? This one? This one? Wow! There's carbon monoxide in this thing. What is that? I'm gonna say something. Let me get somebody. What's going on? Hi, I think there's a carbon monoxide alarm going from one of the campers. I can hear beep, 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 beep. Are they testing it? Just make sure there's no CO2 in there. That's weird then. Said it'll be fine. Well, why is the alarm going off then? There could be carbon monoxide in that thing. But it'll be fine. I don't know if it's gonna be fine, man. It's gonna be fine, okay. And I know that guy. It's gonna be totally A-okay. It's going off. Listen to it. That's the CO2 code right there. Just trying to get in here and say something. They said it'll be fine. Well, I don't think it will be. I really shouldn't be running, but I am. I'm gonna find out what's going on. But this. I think there's a carbon monoxide detector going off one of the campers down there.
It's possible.
It's going beep, 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 beep.
Yep, they're out there working on it.
Oh, there's nobody in the camper. I can hear it beeping like crazy. Are you sure there's no carbon monoxide in there? Alarm won't go off for no reason. It just keeps beeping and beeping and beeping and beeping. No, the battery's not dead. It's doing the carbon monoxide code. Beep, 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 beep. Beep, 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 beep. I just hope there's no CO2 in there, that's all. I know the sound of that alarm, man. I hear him like I go, okay, thank you. So check on it, okay? Okay, guys. So this one right here, he said it'll be okay. I don't think it is. They're not working. It's going off. I can still hear it too. It's this one. It'll be okay. Sure, it'll be okay. Listen, I can hear it. Hear it? Show you which one. It's this one. Yeah, that's definitely a carbon monoxide alarm going off. The guy says it'll be okay. I don't think so because it's an actual alarm. It's not a low battery. I'm gonna make a part 2.